Welcome to Excel functions and formulas. In previous two lectures, we have seen on the logical function and the logical function OR. In this lecture, we'll be seeing about the if conditions. Let us get into the Excel part. Here we're going to see about the two conditional tests that we're going to perform over here. Conditional test. The conditional test is nothing but we have the values in column B and the values in column C. So I'll be just comparing the two column over here. Whether the column B is greater than column B values is greater than column C value. If it is that, then I request the function called if to return a text that column B is greater than column C. So I'll be doing the two conditional test. I'll be testing the condition whether the score 1 is greater than score 2. If the condition is true, I request the function if to return the value in the form of text that I will be doing it, right? I will be typing score 1 is greater. Score 1 is greater. If the condition is not met, I request that it should display the text score 2 is greater. So let us get into the part. Now I'll just place the cursor on the cell G7. Shift down arrow key equal to, then I type if condition, then I press tab. You find the if condition has three arguments. One is first argument is nothing but you have to do a logical test. Then second argument, it will just return the value as true and value false. It will return the value, right? So first thing is that we'll be doing the conditions over, then condition testing over here. Now I just select the column B, that is score 1, whether it is greater than column C, nothing but the values in the column C. So score 1 is greater than score, it's nothing but column B value is greater than column C values. Then I type comma, the condition is, the first argument is over. Now it will be asking for you what I have to do. So here, as I said, in the functions, you can do anything. If the condition is true, you can do any arithmetic operations, or you can do any text to be printed. So I request the function to print a particular text. So I just type score 1 is greater, comma, if the condition is false, I request it to print as score 2 is greater, right? Then I shift close the bracket and type control enter. So it will say that we found a typo in your formula, try to correct it. So automatically it will just get it corrected. Okay, now type S, automatically it will list you which one is greater, which is not. So here we have 12 is greater than 5, yes, so the score 1 is greater. So let us get into the evaluate formula over here and see how it actually works out. Here the if condition nothing but the cursor is on B7, the cursor is there, we evaluate it, it will take the value as 12 which is in the cell B7, then the cursor shifts to C7, it will take the value which is in C7 nothing but 5. So it will test the condition nothing but 12 is greater than 5. If it is true, yes, it is true. When it is true, it will print out this statement which is in score 1 is greater. Score 1 is greater, right? So this is the part. Then second part, once again evaluate the formula. Here the second row we have 34 is not greater than 72 since there is a condition is false. So here how this Excel is going to operate. Now first the cursor is in B8, right? It will take the value. The B8 is nothing but 34. It will take the value as 34. Once again the cursor will shift to the second column, that is nothing but your C8 cell. It will take the value in the C8 cell. Now it will test the condition whether 34 is greater than 76. No, it is false. It is false. When it is false, now it will print out whatever the value, it will return the value whatever it is in false, right? So we have expected that it should display a text. The value should be in the format of text. So score 2 is greater. So evaluate score 2 is greater, right? Then we get to the last part, score 1 is greater. We will evaluate the formula once again. Here B13, we coming to the B13 cell. The cursor is on B13. We evaluate it. The value it will take is nothing but 23. Then we have the C13. It will evaluate. It will take the value 9. Now it will test the condition 23 is greater than 9. Yes, it will return the value as true. Once the value is true, whatever the next condition is true, whatever the statement or the arithmetic operation that you have to perform, it will operate on that, right? So I request when the condition is true, the text that score 1 is greater has to be displayed. It will display score 1 is greater. So this is the basic work of your if condition.